When you first start Vertex BD, you'll see the Welcome dialog box where you can open either a recently opened project by just double-clicking on it, or you can open another project from the full list of projects, or you can create a new project. The architectural tutorial videos will go through the process of creating a new project. To see the full list of projects, select Open Project, then click OK. This takes us to the Open Project dialog box where you see all of your projects, as well as some information about when they were created, who the customer is, and where the projects are currently being stored. You can sort and filter your projects using the classifications in the bottom left. And you can also modify those classifications by clicking the Modify Classification button. To open a project, simply double-click on it or select it and click OK. When the project is open, you'll notice there's a 2D window and a 3D window. You can toggle between the two by clicking the Switch button up in the top left. You can also hit F2 on the keyboard. We have a project document browser on the left, where also you can switch between the different drawings and models within the project. To activate the second level wall layout, just double-click on that drawing in the document browser. The Other button up in the top left gives you another way to select different drawings within the project. I can choose the first level ceiling layout, for example, or hit F4 on the keyboard. To zoom into the layout, move your mouse to the location where you want to zoom and then roll the mouse wheel away from you. You can zoom back out by rolling the mouse wheel the other way. You can pan by holding down the Shift and the mouse wheel. You can hold down Shift and right-click as another way to zoom in and out. You can also get a preview of the 3D model by holding down the Shift key and the left mouse button. This will activate a 3D model, and when you release the mouse, the model will disappear and go back to the 2D layout. The same controls are available in the 3D model. Shift and left mouse button will rotate the model. If you hold your cursor over an object and Shift left click, it'll rotate around that selected object. You can also rotate by just holding down the mouse wheel. This allows you to rotate the model with just one hand. Shift and pressing down on the mouse wheel will pan, and Shift right mouse is another zoom. Down in the bottom right, we see the coordinates showing the current location of the cursor. By default, it's showing in feet, inch, 16th format. If you right-click on that area, you can choose a different unit mode. You can also adjust the resolution and whether you're looking at relative coordinates, which is the position of your cursor relative to the last set reference point, the absolute coordinates, which is the position of your cursor relative to the global origin, or polar coordinates.